no, I'm gonna be late to the party. Ugh, gross. I can't go to my first college party smelling bad. There's gonna be girls there. Oh, it's empty. What am I gonna do? Baby powder and peppermint oil? This should work. Put some peppermint oil on your fingertips. Now to wipe the pits. Fresh. Now some baby powder to keep it dry. Now to change my shirt. Nice shirt. Time to talk to some girls.
Oh, this burger smells so good. I'm so hungry. So good. Someone calling me? I'll be there in 20 minutes? Oh no, I gotta get ready! Oh, finally finished.
Hey, Lily.
Hey!
Lily, you smell like meat. Did you shower today?
Oh, it does smell like meat, but I don't have time to shower.
Okay, since you're running late, I'll show you a trick. Just spray the brush with the perfume and then brush your hair.
Wow, that's definitely gonna work. By brushing the perfume through your hair, it should freshen it up.
Oh yeah, it smells a lot better.
Thank you, Max. I gotta go meet Tony now.
Alright, have fun, bye!
I finally got an A on my test, but I'm so tired. Oh my gosh, my face. I gotta remove my makeup. Oh, I'm all out. I'm too lazy to take a shower though. Oh, I know what to do. You're gonna need some gauze. Grab your eye makeup remover and a Ziploc bag. Put the gauze in the Ziploc bag and then pour some of the makeup remover. Now you have your own makeup remover pads. I'm ready for bed.
Oh no!
Huh? Max, open up! Are you okay in there?
No! Look at this!
Oh my gosh, that's a big zit! I think I know what can help you. Get green tea to help with inflammation. This bowl looks good. And now put the green tea in the bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now add some hot water. Fill it all the way up. Steep the tea until it's dark. And now we're gonna add some ice and wait 5 minutes. By adding ice, it will help soothe the zit and make it smaller. Alright, they're ready. Let's get back to Max. Here, Max. Frozen tea bags can help reduce redness and inflammation.
Huh?
Rub it on your pimple for 5 minutes and it'll be gone.
Oh, okay. It's kind of cold. Hey, it's gone. Thanks, Lily.
No problem. Hey, what's that?
Huh? Is there another one?
No, you're just funny looking.
Get out.
Ow!
Lily, are you okay?
Oh no, I have a huge bruise. I was planning to go out.
Whoa, that is big. You could probably use foundation to cover it though.
Oh, you're right. Thanks, Max. With the foundation that matches my skin tone, it should cover up my bruise. Squeeze along the bruise. And now blend it out. Blend it out till it slowly fades away. Oh, it looks perfect. Now I can go out.
I'm so itchy.
Ew, Max! Is this skin? That's disgusting. Stay right here. I'll be right back. I'm gonna make Max a body scrub, and all you need is olive oil, coffee grounds, and brown sugar. First, start with 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds. Next, the brown sugar. It's gentle, so it's perfect for sensitive skin. And drizzle in the olive oil. This will add moisture to the skin. And stir, and now you're ready. Max, use this body scrub. Make sure you scrub it around your peeling areas.
Okay, if you say so. Hope this works. Hey, this feels pretty nice. Now to just wash it off. Just have to carefully wash this all off. Oh, my arms are clear now. Thanks, Joyce.
Oh my gosh, these boys are so hot.
I know, right? I'd date any of them.
Piercings? Let me try something. They like bad boys with piercings? I know what to do. First, we get some staples ready. And now, some pliers. Use the pliers to make the staples round. Alright, now it's time to put them on. First, one on the nose, then two on my lip, finally one on my ear. Whoa! Oh, the girls are gonna love this.
Oh, she's so cute.
Hey Lily, hey Joyce. You notice anything different about me?
Whoa, Max, what'd you do?
Oh, what, this? So, Joyce, you, me, date tomorrow?
No way, in your dreams. Bye. Huh? What time is it? 10 more minutes. Huh? Oh no! Class starts in 10 minutes. Oh no, what do I wear? Oh, this should do it. Oh no, I don't have any time for makeup. Wait, I know what to do. I'll need this. All you need is your iPad, blush, and bronzer. To trick my classmates, I'll use a camera mirror to look good on camera. Just a little bit of bronzer. Now apply it on your cheeks and your nose. Blend a little bit on your forehead and eyes. Now a little bit of blush and cover all the same areas. And I'm done.
I gotta call Joyce.
Oh no, Miss Amy's calling me.
Joyce, what took you so long? Time to start class.
Oh, sorry, Miss Amy, I'm already.